you can make a lot of money from YouTube. In today's video, I will share with you how much I made from my 2 YouTube channels for the last year. After that, I will share with you the secret that I know, and this secret can help to anybody to rise in YouTube very fast. I will share my tools. If you be here to the end of the video, I will give the giveaway of $100 of one of you guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. This video is sponsored by subscribe button. Let's go to my computer and to share with you my results. Okay guys, welcome to my computer. Let's see what are the results for the last year. First with my Bulgarian channel. The channel is already with almost 11,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching me. Let's go to the analytics. Pick the 2021 as a year, and my revenue here is $2,689. It is awesome. I will share with you my CPM. My CPM is $11. It's very good. RPM is 4.85. This is very good also. It's normal to be lower because it's a formula, and I have almost 300% rise for the last year compared to the year before that. It's awesome. I will share with you how you can rise in YouTube very fast in this video, and what's my secret and what I start doing this year, and this will help me a lot to start rising a traffic. But before now, I want to share with you my best YouTube tools for the year. I'm using TubeBuddy. This is one great tool. I will put the link in the description. If you want, you can join here. Of course, you will be my referral. As you can see, I paid TubeBuddy for my both channels, English and Bulgarian one. And yeah, this is my affiliate link, so I will put it in the description. Let's start with the best option that I have in TubeBuddy. This is the reason that I paid the legend plan here. It is not very cheap, but it's very useful. So you can make A/B testing with this tool. What's mean that? You can upload 2 titles and 2 thumbnails of every video, and TubeBuddy just will rotate them, and it gives you the statistic after that, what you can do and which is the best thumbnail, the best title, the best description, and it will help you to optimize your channel and to have better results. As you can see, I have 3 times better thumbnail here, so it's awesomely good. If I was having 3 times better results of all my videos last year, my percents will not be 300, they will be 900, and maybe you don't realize, but let's just give you the example here. If I made in Bulgaria $2,700, and this year, if I made 3 times more, like the last one, I will make $8,000, and next year I will make $24,000. So these percents are very important for the metric of every video, every channel. Don't be lazy, use tools to optimize. I will not speak a lot about that, because my point here is to share with you not only the profit and to share with you my knowledge about the YouTube. I realized 2 weeks ago from one of my students that the best secret options in YouTube, it's not a secret but nobody do it right now, is to just translate your videos in all available languages. It's very easy and it can make you a lot of money. See what I mean here? My friend has 1.7 million views in his video for only 7 months, just because he has ability to translate the videos from Bulgarian to all languages that YouTube support. Actually, this is awesome option because he is Bulgarian. We don't have a lot of people here in our place, but when we translate our videos, we can speak to all languages in the world, and you will rise very fast. You will have a lot of traffic using this option in YouTube. So I start translating all my videos, and from now, if you follow me in my Bulgarian channel, you will see the link in the description below. You will see all the captions that you need to understand my videos and my language. Already some Dutch, Spanish, Ukrainian, German people come and see my videos. So I started this year to create content and to put other languages in my videos, and this will help me a lot to rise. So about the giveaway, everyone that leave a comment below and put me his Ethereum wallet has chance to win $100. I will pick one of you guys and we will give him a giveaway of $100. Also, if you don't have Ethereum wallet, don't worry. Just if I pick you, just you need to send me email to support@smpro.net and I will send you money via PayPal, Revolut, TransferWise, whatever method you want. It's not a problem. I will pick one of the people that comment below in my videos what type of content they prefer for this year. Just share with me what kind of videos you want to record for you, what kind of knowledge you want, or what you want to understand better. And I will pick one of you guys and will give him $100. So I share with you my best tools. I also use vidIQ. It's very good tool, but I prefer TubeBuddy because of the A/B testing. vidIQ is used by my team because we do the research with vidIQ, give us very good suggestions to optimize our videos. So use the vidIQ also. I will put the description link also for that too. And before finish this video, my friends, if you want to start your own business in Amazon, eBay or Shopify, hit me up. You can use the first link in the description to pick a consultation. I will be here for you. I will help you to start your online business. This is my main business actually, and this is the way that I made a lot of money. You can watch my other videos for Amazon or eBay from this channel, or you can follow me at my Bulgarian one. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much. See you soon.